has a throbbing toothache and can't see the dentist right away, let's talk about 7 simple home remedies that can ease the pain. Number 1 is salt water rinse. Salt water rinse reduces inflammation and creates an alkaline environment that hinders the growth of bacteria in your mouth. Now, how do you prepare salt water rinse? Number 1 is to boil your water. Allow it to boil well. The reason you are boiling the water before use is to kill whatsoever germs are in that water. Your mouth, the toothache you are experiencing is as a result of activities of bacteria in your mouth, and you don't want to introduce more bacteria into your mouth. So you need to boil the water very well. Then you allow it to cool to warm temperature. You add a teaspoon of salt, allow it to dissolve, and use that water to gargle, to rinse your mouth. Use a cup of water at a time, right? A medium cup of water. You use that water to swish your mouth and spit it out. You do this for about 3 to 4 times a day, especially after each meal. Number 2 is cold compress. Cold compress helps to reduce swelling and sharp pain. Now, how do you use cold compress? It's very simple. Apply cold compress on the outside cheek of that aching tooth for about 15 to 20 minutes and see the wonders of cold compress. Number 3 is clove oil. Clove contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic. All you have to do is to dab a cotton ball with clove oil and place it on that aching tooth. Please do not swallow. Number 4 is garlic paste. Garlic paste helps to kill bacteria in your mouth and also reduce pain. So you crush a clove of garlic and then apply the paste on the aching tooth. The only disadvantage to this is that you would experience a temporary bad breath. We all know that garlic smells, and not everyone enjoys the smell of a garlic, so you might experience bad breath for the next 24 hours or until the smell wears away from your mouth. Number 5 is peppermint tea bag. Use peppermint tea bag, especially the cooled one, can offer a soothing effect. All you have to do is to place that bag on the aching tooth to experience a temporary relief. Number 6 is over-the-counter drugs. Drugs like ibuprofen, diclofenac, and other anesthetic drugs can bring temporary relief before you find a permanent solution for the tooth pain. Number 7 is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide helps to reduce pain and kill bacteria. How do you prepare this? You mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide with water, swish your mouth with it and spit it out. Please ensure that you do not swallow. We have come to the end of this video. Please note that these remedies are temporary remedies, especially if the toothache has gone beyond control or requires the attention of a dentist. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell so you can always get notified anytime I post a new video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share with every other person who will be needing information as this. Until I see you in my next video, thank you and God bless you. Bye.